Good morning, folks. We are already here at Batis Aramin.
Tayo na kasama ko yung batang maliit na rin. What are you saying? Nabadabdaw. Wow! Kaya mo ba? Can you do this? Can you? Oh, slowly ha? Rainbow heart. Rainbow heart. Kiss again. Smile. Hallelujah. Okay, dali. Smile, smile, smile. Unfortunately, there are no flowers today. They should be filled with flowers, but there's no flowers over here. We didn't see anything. Maybe this is not the season to tour this place because it should have so many flowers, but unfortunately there's none. You see only soil. We only see soil. But let's just go to this place. Welcome to Galiton. What can we see here? Oh, that house. Let's look at that house. Let's go to that house. Here, no, Jamo, here, over here. Yeah. Here. This one, this place. Oh, you go here. Hurry up. Move on. Let's go. Slowly. Pogi. Yeah, come on. Wow, ay galing! Marunong na mag-blip-blip. Oo. Uy, damo, dako, dako. Backward of children's playground. They also have maze. Kaya nga lang walang pintura.
Zip lines here. Started over there. Starting over there. There.
Woohoo! Gossy Grace!